closed a $15 million round. That's almost 109 crore rupees in its Series A round of funding. This was led by global fintech and crypto investor Ribbit Capital, which is a San Francisco-based crypto-focused investment firm, and Paradigm. The round also saw participation from companies' existing investors, Sequoia Capital, and a clutch of angel investors, which includes Creds, Kunal Shah. The company plans to use these funds to enhance their product and also work on their technology capabilities. Joining me right now is Ashish Singhal, CEO and co-founder of CoinSwitch. Ashish, prominent names right there, Ribbit Capital and of course Paradigm. These are all names that are popular in the cryptocurrency space and have backed several companies globally. What did it take for them to pick you over your competitors when it comes to the India market?
Thanks a lot for inviting me. And why they picked us, I think it's because of the appetite of the team and the kind of growth we have shown in India. We are not a new player. We've been in this space for the last 3.5 years, but we recently launched CoinSwitch Kuber in India, which grew to about 2 million plus users in just 7 months. Doing over 200 crore every day in GMV. I think the way team has grown this platform in India and able to solve and simplify cryptocurrency in India was able to give investors like Ribbit and Paradigm and Sequoia the kind of comfort to partner with us.
Okay. Globally, of course, the crypto market is witnessing an unprecedented growth when it comes to trading and investments. Your big plan in India is to double down on the India market, and I believe that you're also targeting a 10 times growth in your user base by the end of this year. Are you basing this given the current global spike?
We are not just basing it on the current spike, but because of the RBI ban in April, the crypto market has been away from Indians for the last 2 years. Right? So obviously pandemic is helping in a way the markets are moving, but it's also the appetite of the people in India to get into cryptocurrencies, which they were not able to do for the last 2 years. Right? Combining both is giving us the confidence to achieve our 10 million users target by end of 2021.
Quickly, do you see the regulatory hurdles easing out further when it comes to the India market? Of course, crypto is always associated with a bit of volatility, and that's kept several investors who are interested in crypto and want to invest, but they are on the fence. So do you see these hurdles easing out in India anytime soon?
We believe so. Since a lot of countries outside have taken a positive outlook for cryptocurrency, we believe that will impact India as well. And instead of, outright banning cryptocurrencies, there would be a set of regulations which actually brings comfort to the retail investors that you talk about, right? Currently, they are on the edge because there aren't any regulations to protect their needs and, their safety of the funds. But with regulations coming in, we believe that this could be a huge market in India.
Okay. Your business model at this point is that you're an aggregator. You, of course, launched the crypto platform, which has raised this round of funding. And CoinSwitch also provides an API for most of the lending wallets and payment services providers out there. So many different verticals. What is your top priority at this point?
I think looking at the growth that we have achieved in India, India is our topmost priority. And we are doubling down on India to simplify crypto in India to the extent that we can. And obviously grow the base in India. That's our priority today. The technology platform behind all of these different products is the same. So no matter what we do, it impacts the entire product line in itself. The more we enhance our technology, the more our products become better. But obviously the priority is India, creating not just the product, a good product in India where people can buy, sell crypto as easily as ordering food online, but also create awareness and education in India, which we feel is missing today.